In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar Fast 2025 Guide. Open your browser and head to Outlook on the web. Sign into your account so you're looking at your Outlook calendar. We'll generate a special link from Outlook and use it in Google Calendar, which creates a one-way subscription. That means events you add or change in Outlook will appear in Google, but not the other way around. Once you're in Outlook Calendar, look for the gear icon in the top right to open settings. In the panel that appears, choose Calendar Settings, then go to Shared Calendars. This is where Outlook lets you publish a calendar to share its schedule outside Outlook. Find the section that says Publish a Calendar. Open the Calendar dropdown and pick the specific Outlook calendar you want to sync. If you manage multiple calendars, be sure you choose the one that actually contains the events you care about. Next, select the permission level. For most people, View All Details is best, so your event titles, times, and descriptions come through to Google. When you're ready, click Publish. Outlook will generate links. Click the ICS link option. ICS, also called iCalendar, is a standard format that Google Calendar understands. Then click Copy Link to place that address on your clipboard. Keep this link private. Anyone with the ICS URL can view your calendar details, so treat it like a shareable viewing link. Now switch to Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the Outlook events to appear. On the left, hover over Other Calendars and click the plus icon. Choose from URL. In the URL field, paste the ICS link you copied from Outlook, then click Add Calendar. Google will subscribe to that feed and create a new read-only calendar in your list, usually named after your Outlook calendar. If you don't see events right away, give it a moment and refresh. Google updates these subscriptions periodically, so changes from Outlook may take some time to appear. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Because this is a one-way subscription, continue editing and creating events in Outlook to keep everything in sync. If you ever need to stop sharing, go back to Outlook's shared calendars and unpublish or regenerate the link, which will immediately break access. And in Google Calendar, you can change the color or rename the subscribed calendar to keep your schedule organized at a glance. That's it. Your Outlook schedule is now syncing to Google Calendar quickly and reliably.